Bismillah, Bismillah, come let's ride on the happy bus, side by side. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Bismillah, we ride around the town all day long. The kids on the bus say Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. The kids on the bus say Alhamdulillah all day long. The mommy on the bus says share and care, share and care, share and care. The mommy on the bus says share and care all day long. The daddy on the bus says be kind today, be kind today, be kind today. The daddy on the bus says be kind today all day long. The bus goes to the masjid, time to pray, time to pray. We say Bismillah and start to pray all day long. Alhamdulillah for this happy ride. Allah is always by our side. Our side.